Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set with Bliss. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat and as can see put on the screen. Dancehall artist Kiprich finally, how should I say this, is giving his baby mother Miss Chin what she wants, which is his attention. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know since what day he blocked her from WhatsApp and all type of contact. Ever since she came out chastising him and his baby mother and his child Miracle that passed away. You see what I say? So yeah, it has made no contact, you feel me? But you know the thing go with social media. You see what I say? Whether you're black people or not, you're going to get the message regardless. And she kind of went in yesterday, you see what I say? And he never too like it, because a lot of people is questioning, his character. Because, what I'm saying? She said, him have blood pan him shoulder. You see what I say? I know he's thinking about calling the JCF but then baby mother and the necessary authorities, like his lawyers and all of these things, to stop her from all of the nonsense. You see what I say? And he even had to call their daughter to clarify some things, said about him from, her mom. You see what I say? So enough of me talking, people. Let's hear walk one for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Thing, seeing where she was an ambassador for the company who do body, her body get done for free. She never pay $1 for do that. She never pay no money for do it, people. So she never scam the money and all that kind of thing there. So if you see she go through a rough time like now, and then people are try beat her with them kind of thing, then I try call her thief and all them kind of thing there. Me just have to come talk. Me just have to talk, because uno na the round her, and me the round her, and me know, and me see the pain where she got through. And me are the one where I feel hush the cries them, the tears them enough. You understand? And me the round, and I see these things, people. And me I see it. This is why me I come and me I speak up about it. It's not nice, man. Seeing, I don't know, you might feel like she have that tough skin there. She not have that tough skin there, Is a soft girl, Is a soft girl. Seeing, so with the whole teeth in business and all that kind of thing there, you can ease up off her with that now, man. You understand me? Because I could understand if she did do it and then boy, beat her feet and rain. But I said to her, I said, babes, you have to just take your beating because you did whatever. Because I saw mistake. See, me go say it how it go. You see me, when me just meet my woman and them thing there, alright, Angel can attest to this, people. Seeing, and me no want my woman upset about this and them thing there. But me have to just keep it real with you. You get me I say? Alright. When me know why not see me take her shopping and everything there at first office when we do the shopping thing. And because she didn't need that, She didn't need that, because me said to her, say, if you notice, when you see me and her go Barclays Center, you see the difference. She didn't need to get the whole shopping thing there out of the way and all that kind of thing there. Because when we hook up back with her, them time there, me I tell you, say, she and Angel and them way there. Angel wear like maybe size 9 or 10 in her shoes. See? I'm gonna be real with them right now. And when me see, me I say, alright, me could go somewhere and she put on Angel shoes. Big up Angel. See, and I can say this because me know say she not going back to that. As long as I am here standing, that never ever happen. You understand me I say? So if she was a girl where a while out a certain kind of way, she wouldn't resort to them kind of living today. You understand me? She wouldn't resort to them kind of living today, people. I tell you, so when I go around her little ramen noodle and what have you, and to the way, this female is focused, people. I tell you, so, I leave money with her, and I leave money with her. I come back and I still say, egg and something. No go see me and I say, babes, you know, get no grocery thing and rare. You know where she carry the money go? Hardware. Hardware. So people, when they hear me I say, I love this woman and I love her for a reason. For a reason, people. I see the purpose and the reason. I can't pressure the girl, someone. I can't put pressure upon her, son. I can't make somebody where a life present to them already 20 years ago and then blow it, come and I inject certain things in on the system and I run with it and I beat down my woman for no reason at all. You hear me? As what she telling you, you know, pan her thing, you know, say yes, we live up a Narbrook. When we live at Narbrook, I rent that property there. When we live at Narbrook and live with her. Yeah? And run left them youth and all this kind of thing. Me no run left my responsibility. Me run with my responsibility and stand up as a man. Stand up and me get pure beat down for stand up as a man in a Kayla life until she become adult. Me get enough beat down for it and me make the sacrifice and do it. Me put my career on pause when me come a foreign. I sit with that little girl because she reached foreign when she was 12, 13. And when she put the story out there and make it look like me kidnapped my daughter and them thing there, everybody thought she was like a baby. Because when you say me take her pitney and care, go get to other woman and all that kind of thing there, which is a lie. You know the child was leaving Jamaica. It's you look about the passport. You renew the passport. You know the child was leaving. You went on the internet because I got a number for the child and said to you, contact the child direct and don't message my phone because the things that you are messaging me, I wish not to hear that from you. You know that, you know these things, the kind of message them where you send me because you want a relationship with me or whatever you say you want with me. I'ma say no. No, never ever. It can never happen and will never happen. You know me not see that way there. From 20 years ago, I don't see that kind of way. And you still can't let me be. You still can't let me be, yo. Eh? You take set pa my woman. You take set pan her. The amount of message where you... If you see the amount of message where my daughter screenshot, where Kayla screenshot and send to me. Where she asking about Kizzy. She do Kizzy, this, that about Kizzy, this, that, Kizzy. And then you go and come on here and act like you're not being provoking. Like you're not trying to provoke people. Eh? All of this for what? What you hope to achieve from this? From being this liar? From being this you're a pathological liar. What you hope to achieve from this? What you hope to achieve from it? Kayla is 20 years of age. Kayla cry. Kayla says she want to take her life. Me have to stand up. So you give me a hard battle for fight. You give me a hard task for fight. Kayla mentioned this already, you know. 8 years ago, you know, when you attacked me on the internet. She want to take her life and me have to stand up with her. Stand up with her until she reach age 20 now. And she mentioned it again. all because we hope to achieve what? Make somebody else get a chance now, no? Make somebody else get a chance. You got your chance, you know. You got your chance, you know. Remember this, you know. You got your chance. You got your chance and you know what you do. You know everything what you do. I mean, now if you come spell out everything, because he's not that kind of man. I mean, never ever gonna address this, but when you are gonna put this for my name now, I try to tarnish my name with criminal activities and them thing, they know, people. What me if you do now? What me if you do now? When you are gonna try to make it look like you have secret from it, people, remember, this is somebody will say, as long as she live, me can't have no career. And me can't happy in a no relationship. These are her words. She said me can't. That is why every time I try to promote a song, if when you can check the history of me, anytime I put up a song or whatever, she jump in the comment section and she try to tear it down. She try to tear it down. Every time my name buzz and all that kind of thing, she try her utmost best to tear it down. Every time. She said, as long as she live, me can't have no career. That's why you should always come out and say, your career done, your career done, your career done. Say, my career done. Why you not leave me alone? Why you don't leave me alone? Why you pressure done career? Yes, you say my career done. So why you don't leave me alone then? Let me be. Kayla.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So I'm doing a live. You hearing me?
Yeah.
I'm doing a live. And I just talking about some stuff here. So I mentioned the incident that happened when it was about like 5 years old with the car thing. You remember what happened?
Yeah. Yeah. Don't you go over what happened?
Huh?
Don't you just explain what happened?
You can say it, man. You can say it.
Okay. Alright, so I don't know whose house we were in front of, but we had parked up, I think this is around like Spanish Town area, I think. We had parked up by someone's house, like, but it seemed like an argument had broke out with some people outside, and I was in the back seat, and I was in the vehicle with like I think 2 other people, and like out of nowhere the argument kind of just grew, and all of a sudden I was told to duck, and I was really young, so I was confused until somebody pushed my head down and there was shots fired through the car, and I was really young, like I didn't know what was going on. And
all right, stop there. All right, you see, the thing is, people, this is something I have to live with for many years, because it traumatized the little girl for a while, you know, where she keep bringing it up, and you know.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm there, Kayla.
Okay.
Just I try to get some peace in my life, people. Just some peace, I try to get, yo. You know what I mean? And Kayla is 20 years old now. Aren't you 20 years old now, Kayla?
Yes, I am, and I'm turning 21 this year.
This year October, year 21. She's an adult now. She's an adult now. Seeing? So I feel like, say boy, I can get some peace now, man. I can get some peace because apparently, I don't know if our family members them not reach out to her to tell her if just yo leave the people them alone, or I don't know. But need some peace now, man. And then when you go put it now, like say boy, if things reach you, like you want people to look my way and all that kind of thing, and I try make it look out the like say boy, you have secret for me and all them kind of thing there. Listen, man, you would never keep a secret for me. You would never keep a secret for me. Never, ever, ever. So don't make it look that way there. Like you have secret for me. Come and say it, man. And as I say, I want the necessary authority them to step in, seeing, and get the situation I dealt with, because all of these allegations where she passed about me and blood on my shoulder and all that kind of thing there, them things I just can't, it just can't go this kind of way, you know? Can't go this kind of way. Yeah, man. I had the number. When I see the number, which number? Oh, Kayla number. When I say, oh, yeah. Yeah, man. So as I say, people, you know, we just have a day and just go on, just keep our prayers them going same way, and you know, and try keep head above the water and there, and I try keep strong for my lady and everything, and you know, I do what we're supposed to do. So yeah. Alright. You know, we try to keep head above water and that kind of thing there. You know? And I try to hold it. And I'm thinking about, you see, this person if he just leave me alone. If he just leave me alone. You understand me? As I say, people, she know what she do. Why me have to leave her alone? Me have to leave her alone. Me have to leave her alone. The same Narbrook place where I tell you about people. You know me have to go far and do me show them and them thing there. Saying she bring man in at the place. And yeah, tell me now, say, I disrespect like that, wanna feel like me, would I try for look at reoccurrence of something like that? So me, would I try to reach out to somebody like that? Eh? People, 20 years ago that year, and I make sure come here and I'm telling you not like say me would I ever try to reach out to her. That can never happen. That impossible. Know the heartache when me go through from so long. Me that try to make that repeat. Never ever. Me not take them kind of disrespect there. Me not take them kind of disrespect there. You understand me? And how how me get knowledge right, because you know some people go there wonder like, yeah, you say she bring man like, oh whatever, or you know this and all that kind of thing there. Seeing she had her sister there. See her sister, her little sister, and me used to send her sister go school. Me used to pay her little sister school fee. Cause little sister never have a father in her life and them thing. I'm stand up. A people me want me stand up for. Where you see I try tear me down. The skill where she have now and do the nails where she have, where she do, and them thing there, and me send her go learn it. And me send her 2 different schools. The first school when me send her, she and my mother went to the same school. My mother did go do the hairdressing part of it. It's my mother suggested. Because my mother is a kind-hearted lady. Yeah, my mother were here, she tried to tear down over the years, and before Pink Wall was this, when Pink Wall was just like a mix-up thing, she sent him my mother name from Pink Wall and them kind of thing. They're embarrassing. I say, how my father no want my mother and all them kind of thing there. You understand me? So this is not somebody where me can, oh God man, you mad? Eh? As somebody this, so me try run from far, run very far from, run. You come and I try make it look like me reach out to you. You're crazy, you're mad. What you put me through? The first nail school when me send her, the people them said them no want her back in the school because she going to the school and mix up everybody. Including my mother. Go to the place and chat my mother, and my mother still sympathize with her. Yeah? You know me have to get her in our next nail school in a Kingston. And when I get her in the next nail school in a Kingston, the people them said them don't want her there either. There are some things where you just have to address, because when you see you build a brand for so many years, you know, working hard to build your brand, and then, you know, someone just come around and want to tear it down, you know, for no reason at all, you know. You just have to say something. And then, you see, when people go and tarnish your name a certain kind of way and try to criminalize it, it's not funny no more. You know, you can't sit back and watch that no more. So I take it very serious when someone go and go there and say, me have bloods on my shoulder and them kind of thing there. Me not take that lightly. Me not take that for joke. None at all. You know, I mean, people been sending me stuff, you know, all the fabricated lies, you know, and all these kind of thing, and me just not pay them no mind, because me just not have the energy for that right now, because now it's just not the time. You know, where I go through with grief, and we're not trouble nobody. We're really not trouble nobody through with things. We're not trouble people, seeing. And yes, we pray, and yes, we get prayers, and you know, and we get kind words from people and things. But when it overboard, it just overboard. You know, we ignore her. Me know all of the things them wanna say, ignore it and all of that and thing. But you see, sometimes when people just out there and with loose mouth a certain kind of way, and you know that people don't hear the truth behind it. Sometimes people run off with fabricated lies, you know. You might not hear it now, but further down the line, you know, it will come back at you in some form of way. So I'm saying all of that to say this. So listen, this person out there saying that I have blood on my shoulder, like boldly saying this, and you know, like trying to convince people that you have secret from me this kind of way, like I have blood on my shoulder, like me I do people things. When me I call upon now, I'm calling on the necessary authority to do their due diligence with this matter. I want JCF to get in contact with this person, yes, and make this person bring all the proof that they have of me involved in any form of criminality, any form of this blood and shoulder and all these things what I'm talking about, and tarnishing my character, tarnishing my name, a name where I work hard for build over the years. And we're talking about someone that is 20 years ago. We part ways. Why I can't get some peace now? Why I can't see someone that when me love and me a treat the person when me love as how you're supposed to treat someone where you love, and me get some peace with that. 20 years, no.
Sad situation, no matter how you think about it, but he definitely felt for Miss Chin trapped by paying her attention. You see, my people. Anyway, we're not going long on this no longer. I was just giving you this final update with this story. If anything transpires with the law, we will be sure to update on us. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.